Hello everyone, we're here from this one in this analyze of this game. So the name of this one in this tournament is Abu Dhabi Chess Festival 2025. So let's see of this one of this event. So it means Abu Dhabi Chess Festival 2025. So it means located by Abu Dhabi United Arab Emirates. So it means so these are the places, very wonderful, very beautiful place. So it means located from this Europe. So it means I don't know what the language these are. So it means so next, nice, fantastic place here. Nest here. So it means so started by here by Abu Dhabi by August 15 to August 25. So it means so it means round 1 to 9. So it means I'm sorry I got late of this one of these events here from this one, and so it means today is round number 1 from this one. So how many clocks within 1 hour, 30 minutes and 30 seconds increment? And also today's round number 1 and also between families international master in China Yu Sin Song versus FIDE master in Iran is Aryan Tamadon. So it means China versus Iran. So two games analyzed here. So later of the second games between Grandmaster Denis Lazabic from round number 2. So in this part of this video, you have analyzed of this one is Abu Dhabi Chess Festival. So white plays song is C4 English opening, E6 Tamadon, G3. So it means so these are the main lines here is also knight F3 or knight C3. So knight C3 here from this one. So it means so move by here by G3 by move by bishop to G2 by white square bishops. It means fianchettos attacks, and also D5 by counters attacks by pawns, and also bishop G2, and also C6 by semi-slap here by pawn structure here, and also knight F3 is called English opening Angry court defense here. So it means it's called English opening Angry court Korachika defense. So it means Korachika. I thought Korachika. So Kurachika defense here, and also capture this pawn and also a4. So these are a new move from this battle of these games here from this one novelty. So these are the old main lines here. So it means recording by here old main lines is queen a4. Queen a4 is a recording by chess.com. Old main lines here. So back novelty is a4 by song here. So it means novelty by here by using song, and also knight f6, and also knight a3 without threats the pawns or without bishop. So these are the attacks the knights. So why moves this one by knights? Because these are the threats the bishops here. And Tamadon move by capture this bishop takes captured knight and rook takes captured, and also a5. So it means without move side here from this one, and also d3 capture this pawn. Rook takes captured. With idea by rook threats the queens. Without threats the queens here. And also queen e7 by Tamadon, but not yet ready by castling king side here from this one. And also pawn to b3, castling by Tamadon, and also knight e5, and also knight fd7. So it means so knight fd7 is okay the moves. So the problem this one, so it means knight fd7, so it means that's not one of this computer engine. So the one's computer, the currency move is knight to b7. Knight bd7 is the best moves. If you capture this, knight takes captured, and also knight takes captured. So slightly advantage from this blocks here from this one. So back there, this one is knight fd7 and threatening the knights and ignoring knight c4. So why don't we knight takes captured? Continues this one, and also knight takes captured. Easy from that. So it means these are the good examples here. So it means these are examples from this one. So it means back ignoring by knight c4 by song, and also knight a6 by without threats the, or maybe without moving maneuver is knight to c5 or threats the rooks. So threats the rooks here from this one. So it means next maneuver. And also bishop a3 by threatening the queens. Oh, sorry, got moved. So it means queen. So it means bishop threats the queens. And without threats the rooks here. Without doubles by queens and rooks here. So it means bishop threats the queens and rooks without doubles here from this one. And also decided knight b4 without covering here. So it means without no more by doubles by queens and rooks here. So it means no more by queens and rooks. And also castling by Song. And also knight c5, another bad move by Tamadon because these are the threats the rooks here. So the best moves there is one is rook to e8. So it means rook e8 here from this one. So slightly advantage here. So back there, this one is knight c5 threats the rooks and rook c3 brand X move Song. So the branded move, this one is rook c4. So rook c4 here from this one. So it means advantage from this one from whites here. So back there, this one is rook c3 and also rook d8 without threats the queens, without disturbed by queens here or threats the queens. And also queen b1 without move side by rook to d1 without rook to rook here, or maybe here by battery. So it means battery from this one. And also good move queen c7 by Tamadon. So it means without move side. And also rook d1 without rook to rook and rook d7. So if your rook takes captured, what you think from this check? And also queen captured. So easy from this one, from these examples here. So back there, this one is rook d7 and also rook dc1 without battery and also knight ca6. So it means bad move. So the best moves there is one is b6. So b6 here from this one. So b6. So back there, this one is knight a6 here from this one and also rook e3 and also go back rook d8 and also rook e5 without move controls with idea by threats the pawns or threats the pawns without rooks. So threatening the pawns here and also decided b6 without defense here and also bishop to b2 defends the rooks here and also pawn f6 threats the rooks, counters attacks, rook h5, g6 threatening the rooks, rook backwards bad move. So the best moves there is bishop captured pawn. So threatening the rooks here. So if you decided this one is pawn takes captured rook and also bishop takes captured rook and also queen takes captured bishop and also rook to d1. So decided this one, these are the advantage this one from whites and blacks here. So back there, this one is rook h4 and another good move is e5 by great move by Tamadon and also knight e3, another bad move by Song. So the best moves there is queen to e4. So threatening the pawns. Threats. So it means threats here, not threats here from this one. So it means advantage here from these whites here. So advantage here. So back there, this one is knight e3 here and also bishop to e6 without threats the pawns here. So threatening the pawns and also f4 without counters attacks the pawns and also rook to d2. So it means what the strongest by Tamadon with idea by threats the pawns or without upcoming by battery. And also bishop f3 by defense the pawns here and also pawn f5. Bishop takes captured, counters attacks the queens. So threats the queens here and also queen a7 without queen must be queen behind the rooks here and also knight f1 without threats the rooks. So it means bad move, another bad move. So the best moves there, this one is bishop c3 without threats the rooks or knights here. So threatening the rooks here from this one. So slightly advantage here from these whites here. So it means advantage this one. So back there this one is knight f1 with the threats the rooks here and rook d5. So it means what happened to Tamadon. So it means so these are the lowest evaluation bar. So it means blunderacious by this one by Tamadon 5 FIDE Master. So the best moves there, this one is rook to d7. So rook d7 here from these best moves. Rook d7. So back there this rook d5. So what do you think the focusing by without best moves without excellent by International Master using song white to place, so guessing puzzle, so while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Bishop a1, excellent move by using song. So it means without bishop threats the rooks. For example, why don't we bishop captured rook? So what do you think from this one? And also bishop captured. So it means slightly opposite color bishop. So it means slightly opposite color bishop from this one. So it means these are examples here. So back there this one, so bishop a1 by excellent move by using song, and also h5, so it means bad move by Tamadon. So the best moves there is rook to d7. So rook d7 here from this one. So it means best moves here, so it means slightly better here from this one. So back there this one is h5 by Tamadon, and another good move, queen b2. What the excellent move by using song. With idea by here by move by queen to h8 check. So it means without queen h8 check. And also queen h7 without no more by check. So what do you think the guessing puzzle? So what do you think the perfect, strongest, brilliant move by International Master using song? So white to place. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Bishop captured. What a sacrifice. Perfect move by using song. So it means brilliant move. And also king to f7. So it means, so for example, in accept, why don't we pawn captured sacrifice by bishop? So what do you think from this one? And also rook takes captured, threatening the queens. So so it means sacrifice or brilliant move by rook. So brilliant move. If you queen takes captured rook, and also queen g7 mating net. Goodbye black. So it means, so lose from these blocks here. So back there this one, so king f7, and the last shot from this one, queen f6 check, resigns by FIDE Master Tamadon. So why he resigns? Because if he move by king e8, only move here, and also bishop captured check, so without check or traps the queens or rooks threats the queens here. So if you move by here, so if you move by bishop to f7 here, and also rook takes captured, so rook takes captured queens, and also bishop captured, so bishop takes g6 captured, and also queen e7 mating net, so mating net here, and another repeat, it means another. So if you move by here, if you move by king g8, here. And also bishop captured g6, threatening the queens or rooks. So it means threats the queens here. So it means without bishop threats the queens or rook threats the queens. And also queen captured, g6, queen to queen, and also rook h8 mating net. So mating net from this one, lose from these blocks here. So the score from this International Master Yu Sin Song 19.7, and the score by lowest, this one 75.5 by FIDE Master Aryan Tamadon. So better luck next time. So it means winner from this one, International Master Yu Sin Song. So next second games here. So what do you think next round number 2? Next up, this proceed of these games. So black against between International Master Yu Sin Song and white against Grandmaster Denis Lazapic in this round number 2. So it means in this part of this video, you have analyzed of these chess games. So white plays Lazapic is d4, knight f6 Song, knight f3, d5, and also bishop f4 London. Is called a London, and also e6 is called so-called variation from Queen's Pawns opening. And also e3, bishop d6 without bishop to bishop, and knight e5, strongest move. So these are the main lines here is used by capture this bishop or knight c3. So knight c3 here. So it means knight e5 by strongest by Lazapic here, and also castling by Song, and also knight d2, and also c5, and also c3, queen c7, and also bishop to d3 here, and also pawn a5 without move by push by a4 by Song here without strongest, and also h4, and also a4 without strongest by Song without controls here from these solutions, and also a3 without stop by pawns, and also knight c6 without counters attacks by knights, and also knight df3, and also knight e4, castling. So it means these are novelty by castling. So these are the recording by Old Main Knights is knight takes captured or queen captured and queen to e2. So queen e2 here. So it means so back there castling novelty by Lazapic here, and also pawn to f6 threats the knights, knight takes captured, bishop takes captured, and knight e7 check sacrifice by Lazapic without check, queen takes captured, pawn takes bishop, or same by white coloring bishop, and also queen c7 without threats the pawns, defense g3, and also b6 without move side by here. I don't know what's the move here. So it means b6, and also rook e1, and also bishop to b7. So it means I forgot something. So it means without bishop, without threat, move by white square bishop by bishop to b7 by fianchettos attacks. And so Song move by bishop to b7, bishop b7. So it means I'm sorry I forgot by brains here. And also rook c1, and also c4 by counters attacks by bishop, bishop c2 b5, and also rook e3, rook a e8, and also queen e2 without move by triples by rook e1 without triples here, and also queen f7, rook e1 triples by rook, queens, and rook, and also rook e7 without battery. So battery by Songs here, and also knight h2. So it means without knight h2, without move maneuver is one is knight to g4 without controls here from this one, and also e5 takes, good move takes, and also rook f3 without threats the queens, and also queen e6, inaccept takes, king takes, and also knight f3. and also takes by pawns, knight takes captured, and queen d7, so it means does not one of this computer by Song. So the best moves there, this one is queen to f6 here. So queen f6 is the best moves here from this one. So back there, this one is queen d7 and also queen e3 and also go backwards rook e8, f3 threats the knights, knight f6, queen f2. So it means without queen f2, without rook to rooks here, and g6 and accept rook takes, queen takes, and also queen to d2. So it means so the queens, bishop, and knights by Lazabic, and knight, queens, and bishop. So it means bishop, queens, and knights. So it means same by these three pieces. Bishop c8, king f2, king must be active, king g7, queen e3 without queen to queen, and bishop d7, and also g4. So if you accept it by queen takes queen to queen here from this one, and also bishop captured. So it means examples here, or maybe this one is knight takes queen. So it means easy from this one, from these examples here. So it means so g4 here from this one, and also queen f7, and also king g3, and also king g8. So it means king g8 here from this one, king must be active, and also queen e5, knight e8, and also knight e2, bishop to c6, and also knight d4 threats the bishops, bishop d7, pawn f4, knight g7, bishop d1, knight e6, and also bishop to f3 by threats the pawns. So threatening the pawns, and queen threats the pawns here. So threats the pawns, and also knight takes captured, queen takes captured, and also bishop e6 here. So bishop e6, and also queen e5, king f8, queen b8 check, queen e8 without queen to queen. So it means so queen b8 check. So it means without check, so it means queen b8 check, and queen e8 without queen to queen, and accept by Lazabic takes, and also f5. So it means same by coloring bishop, so it means white, same by coloring, and captured, bishop takes captured, and also bishop d7, king f4, king must be active, and also h6, king e5, king e7, bishop to e4, and also bishop e8, king f5, king f7, bishop d5 checking e7, and also bishop f3, and king d6. So it means move by king must be active, and king f6 without, so it means king f6, and also bishop d7, bishop h5, bishop c6, and bishop to g6, king d5, and king g7 attacks the pawns, king e5, king takes captured, king f6. So it means 1 minute and 7 seconds by Yusin Song, and almost 10 minutes by Denis Lazabic here. And also king h7, bishop d5, bishop e8 without threats the pawns, and also bishop e4 check, king h6, bishop to c2, and bishop takes captured. One pawn down by Yusin Song, and also bishop b3, and also last shot h5. So it means resigns by Yusin Song from China. So it means end of this battle here from this one. So lose from blacks because these are one pawn down by Yusin Song. So the score by Denis Lazabic is 93.4, and score by Yusin Song 88.6. It means win by Grandmaster Denis Lazabic here. So I got stressful. I'm sorry I got stressed. My my throats and something broad. I mean, something bad problems here. So I hope at this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luagi17, aka iCoolMark17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep updates of these next chess updates. Bye bye.